Good day mga kamatics! Welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic for today is about subtraction integers. So, subtraction of integers or the adding the seeds. So, you have this formula. Hindi naman ito matatawag na formula dahil hindi naman talaga. Pero pwede na din siya matatawag na formula. Keep, change, change. So makita natin dito, keep. I-keep natin siya. So, base dito. Keep lang. Wala tayong gagalawin. Change. So, pag dito, negative siya dito. Tanda, pwede natin tawagin dito mga yan. And the word keep, change. So, change the sign. Change. Next, change. So, dito, positive siya dyan. Dahil, iba naman to. Subtraction naman to, hindi naman to sign of negative. Diba? So, pagdating dito, negative B na siya. Dahil, from the word change. Gets ba? Ito lang yung formula according to my research. Diba? Hindi naman tayo dahil estudyante pa tayo. Next! A minus negative B. Keep, change. Keep lang natin yung A. Change the sign, which is the positive na siya dito. Then, change. Negative B. So, positive B na siya. Or B lang. Dahil meron naman siya sign dito. Diba? So, pagkatapos mong gamitin tong formula na to, proceed to addition rule. Kung nakita niyo yung last video ko, tinuro ko doon kung paano mag-add ng integers. But, dahil subtraction tayo dito, pwede ko naman ulitin yun kahit konti lang. Next. So, subtraction of integers. Balik lang natin. So, 8 minus 11. So, gamitin natin yung keep, change. Keep ang 8. Change the sign of negative, magiging positive na siya. Or, pwede siyang positive, pero operation pala. So, keep the 8, then, the minus or subtraction, magiging add na siya dito. Next, change. I-change na naman ito. So, 11 siya. So, magiging negative 11. Hindi naman tayo ito sign eh. Operation yan, subtraction. So, positive yan. Okay. Dito na siya. So, sulat natin dito. 8 plus negative 11. So, sabi ko naman, pagkatapos nyo yung keep, change, proceed to adding rule. So, makikita nyo dito, 8 plus negative 11. So, you need to subtract dahil iba-iba yung sign. But to keep the sign of the bigger absolute value, which is negative 11. So, 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Absolute value, the bigger absolute value is negative 11. So, kanyang sign na natin gagayahin. Negative 3. Okay. Next. Negative 12 minus negative 16. Keep the negative 12. Change the operation, which is the add. Then, change the next integers. So, negative 16, so magiging positive siya dito. Katapos, kopyahin na natin siya dito. Negative, proceed to adding rule, di ba? Negative 12 plus 16 is equal to 4. Dahil subtract lang naman yan. 16 minus 12. Di ba? 16 minus 12. So, bigger absolute value, so yung gagayahin natin na sign, which is positive 4 or 4. Next. 10 minus negative 6. Keep the 10. Change the operation and change the opposite of negative. Change or the opposite of negative 6 is 6. So, proceed to adding rule. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So, same sign lang naman sila. Next. Negative 14 minus 8. Keep the negative 14. Change the operation, which is the adding. Next, dito, positive 8 siya. Positive 8 to ha. Recap lang. Ito ay operation, hindi yan side. Positive talaga yan siya. Okay? Minus 8. Change or the opposite of positive 8 is equal to negative 8. So, proceed to adding rule. So, negative 14 plus negative 8. Same sign. So, same sign sila. So, you need to add lang and copy the same sign. Negative 14 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 22. Okay. Kuha nyo na ba kung paano mag-subtract ng integers? So, kung nakuha nyo, please like and subscribe.